don't know, we're going to find this seat first. Up here maybe?
Probably better off. This is a 5-star joint after all. If you can't have this.
I'm your humanity.
Yeah. I didn't ask. Woo!
We're going Mickey Pool. First we need to show Mummy the
Was that a good slide though?
Yeah, and we're going to show Mummy the...
Do you want one more go, or do you happy to show Mummy Nina?
I want to show Mummy the...
Okay, one more.
Woo! Upstairs.
You don't want any more goes?
No,
How come?
there's loads of stairs.
There's loads of stairs.
And look at my fingers.
Oh, Mike, you are quite wrinkly. Got one more go for the road?
No.
You happy?
Yeah.
You sure?
We're going to do it later.
There he is. Here comes Lacey. Woo! Want a towel? Yeah, you can go as many times as you want. Lacey. You having a good time? It's like a 20th girl.
Careful, do you want to go see what this is doing? I'm going to go see this.
Is it on a scale of 1 to 10? That fast. You like it though?
Yeah.
Is it good fun?
No. One more and I'm done.
You sure?
Yeah.
You can have as many goes as you like. It's only you and another lad.
It's very fun.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You want another go?
Can I? Yeah.
Of course you can. That good? You done?
It's very fast.
It's very fast. Do you want a bit of pizza or do you want to keep going until they get back with the pizza?
They're right there.
What? They're back already? Do you want me to get you a towel or do you want to keep going?
Towel.
Towel, okay.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.